Have you seen the Holy Blindfold Dance Challenge by Chris Brown? Oh. What are you guys doing? Alright, so that was the Holy Blindfold Dance Challenge by Chris Brown, and today that's what we'll be looking at, okay? I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys step by steps. So if you know you're just coming right now, please tap the subscribe button, drop a comment, like, share, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So let's get started. But before I start, how about I do the choreo so that you guys can see how it looks like, okay? Let's do this. So for the sake of copyright, I had to tweak the sound, okay? So you guys should not be offended. So it's actually a very simple dance choreo that you don't need to stress yourself. So the first move is this. So it's you moving your right leg towards the side while your left leg is supporting it. So you're going 1, so like 1, 2. So it's more like open, close. So open. So when watch closely, when you go like this leg follows it. So you go, you raise it again. So when you go 1, you see it. So the leg that's actually doing the movement is the left. Yeah. So you are going like this. You see what the leg is doing? It's going like this. So as it's moving, the right leg is taking it forward. So it's going 1, 2, 1, 2. Reverse it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then the next move is like you're picking up something. So you're picking and you hit. Then you pick. So you like pick, hit, pick, hit. You get? So like you're picking something. So pick it up and hit it with your right hand. Then pick it up again with your right hand and hit it with your left hand. So you're doing like 4 times. You get? Let's go again from the top. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Pick, hit, pick, hit. Pick, hit, pick, hit. Just 4 times, you get. So once you're done with that, the next move is like you're like a relaxing state. You're like in a relaxing state. So you're going like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 4-time count, you get. So the first move is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick, hit, pick, hit, pick, hit, pick, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the last move is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Very easy. So what are you waiting for? Add your vibes, add your style, and kill the choreo. That's it. Now you can add your charisma. You can now go something like, when you understand the steps, you go tururu, 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 tururu. Made a mistake. Tururu, 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 tururu. Jesus. Let's do this with the song, okay? But for the sake of copyright, I'll be tweaking the sound. Thank you. So if you know you've gotten to this point and you really learned this choreo, please do well to drop a like, give us a comment, share this video, and if you've not subscribed, please tap the subscribe button, okay? And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate. And with this, I will say we've come to the end of today's tutorial, but trust me, it doesn't end here. If you know there's still choreographies that you want a tutorial on, please drop it in the comment section, okay? Just drop it there and I'll go for search for it and bring out the tutorial for you guys to learn, okay? So thank you so much for watching. And I remember my humble self, Danceglitch. Let's keep doing what we keep doing. Let's keep doing what we keep doing. Okay, let's keep doing what we love doing, yeah. Bye.